Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to lecture series of New Candy Mathematics 1 or D1 updated edition. Dear students, today we will do question number 1 of exercise 2A and our chapter is rate, ratio and percentages. Dear students, इस चैप्टर के सॉल्यूशन के लिए आपको सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट मेरे चैनल पर मिल जाएगी. इसके अलावा आप एक्सरसाइजेस के नोट्स, वर्कशीट्स और सॉल्यूशंस के लिए आप मेरा फेसबुक पेज विजिट कर सकते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सिंप्लीफाई ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेशियोज. Dear students, now we have been given ratio and we have to simplify it. So the A part is 1.5 kilogram ratio 350 gram. Dear students, in ratio, the quantities must be of the same unit. Quantities की unit same होनी चाहिए. So we have been given two quantities, but आप देखें कि इसकी unit different है. Here we have kilogram and here we have gram. So we have to convert kilogram into gram. So for converting kilogram to gram, what we have to do? We will multiply by 1000. So because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So आप ये अपने solution में लिख सकते हैं. It's mean that 1.5 kilogram we have to multiply by 1000. Now it's converted into gram because we have multiplied it with 1000. So what we are getting, when you are multiply with 1000, then the decimal will shift right. How many digits? 3 digits. So it will be 1500 and 350. So now we have converted this gram into kilogram. So now we can simplify it. So we can simplify it by 5, 25, 50. So if I'm doing it by 50, then 50, how many times we'll get 1500? 30 times. So it will be 30 and 350 divided by 50, we can get 7. Now it can't be further simplified. In the B part student, we have been given fraction like ratio 15 by 24, ratio 9 by 7. So it's a ratio of two fractions. So first of all, what we have to do, हमने इसकी fraction ख़त्म करनी है. So for that, we can take the LCM of the denominators. So we can take the LCM of the denominator and one number is prime and one number is composite. So आप इसको multiply कर लेंगे, that would be same as. So if you can see that if I am doing it with 2, so if I multiply, it will give you 168. Similarly, if you multiply 24 and 7, because one is prime and one is composite, so it will give you 168. Now what we will do is that 15 by 24 and 9 by 7. ठीक है, हमने ये दोनों fractions लिख ली. Now what we will do, the LCM we have, we will multiply both of the fraction with that LCM. Now we can simplify it. 168 and 24. Let's see. 168 divided by 24. It will give me 7. ठीक है, यानी कि 24 1 times and 24 7 times. Similarly, we will do here 168. We can divide it by 7, or we can simplify it by 7. 7 1 times and 7 24. Now what's left? 15 multiplied by 7, because 1 is in the denominator. So 15 into 7, it will give you 105, and 9 into 24, 216. Now you can see कि हमारी fraction जो है वो ख़त्म हो गई है. Now we have to further simplify it. अब हमने इसे simplify करना है. Up till here हमने इसकी fraction remove की. Now students, so you can see that 5 plus 1 it's 6, 6 plus 1 7, plus 2 9. Like we can divide it by 3. I have checked by divisibility rule कि 3 से होगा या नहीं. How we can do? We can sum it up, so it's giving me 6. So 6 can be divided by 3. Similarly, 6 plus 1 7 and 8 9, it can be simplified by 3. So it will 3 times 9, and 3 5 times 15, and 3 7 times 21, and 3 2 times 6. So you can see that we can't simplify it further. It's the simplest form. Okay. C part 0.45, ratio 0.85. Students, we have the decimal and we have to simplify this ratio. So first I am interested in कि मेरा ये decimal जो है वो एक number आ जाए, like ये point जो है वो remove हो जाए, ये decimal ख़त्म हो जाए. You can see that after the point, after the decimal, we have 2 digits, and here also after the decimal we have 2 digits. So what we will do, that we will multiply it by, like we have these 2 decimal numbers, so we will multiply it by 100. Similarly, we can multiply it by 100. Now when you are multiplying any number with 100, then the point will shift 2 digits, right? So it will be 45. Similarly, it will shift 2 digit right. Multiplication by 10, 100 and thousands, you have already done it. So now we can simplify by, I will take 5 because the last digit is 5. So we can divide it by 5. 5 9 times, 5 7 times. So we can't. In the D part, we have 580 milliliter, 1.12 liter, 104 milliliter. Okay, so first what we have to do is that we have to make the unit same. So it's a milliliter, liter and milliliter. So we can convert liter into milliliter, and we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So for converting liter to milliliter, we will multiply by 1000. So 580 milliliter, it's same, and 104 milliliter, it's also as it is, and this one 1.12, we will multiply it with 1000. So now it's also in milliliter. 580. Now multiplying by 1000 means that you have to move the decimal right. So it will be 1120. Now you don't have to write the unit because the ratio has no unit. Like the final simplification will be without unit. So now we have to simplify. We can simplify it by 2 because the last digits of all are even. So we can do it by 2, like 2 times 4, 9 times 18, and then 0, and 1120 will also be divided by 2, 5 times 10, 6 times 12, and then 0, 5 times 10 to 2 times 4. Again we can do it by 2, we can simplify it by 2. So 2 to 1 times 2 to 4 times 8 and to 5 times 10, then to 2 times 4 to 8 times 16 and then 0, and to 2 times 4 and to 6 times 12. So now it's a simplified form of the given ratio. In E part we have the friction. So first of all हम इसकी friction जो है वो remove कर देंगे. So friction कैसे remove होगी? We will take the LCM of the denominator. So what we 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24. So the LCM would be 24. So now we will multiply given ratio by 24, like all the fractions by 24. Like here we will multiply by 24, this one we will multiply by 24, and this one fraction also we will multiply by 24. So now we will simplify it like 1 times 3, 3 8 times, 2 1 times 2, 2 12 times, 8 1 time, 8 8 3 times. So now it's converted into numbers, like fraction is removed, denominator is removed now. So now we have 8 2 times 16, 12 3 times 36, and 5 3 times 15. So we cannot like further simplify it. So this is our answer. Now the F part we are having 0.33, 0.63, 1.8. Now, dear students, first I will remove this decimal. Like I have, it's like the question we have done, that one part, C part. So after the point we have 2 digits. Here after the point, decimal point, we have 2 digits, and here after the decimal we have 1 digit. So we will multiply it by 100, because here we have 2 digits and here we have also 2 digits. So हम इसको 100 के साथ multiply कर लेंगे. You know it कि 100 से जब हम multiply करते हैं, so the point will shift towards right in multiplication. So now we can simplify it. हम इसे simplify अगर कर सकते हैं तो हम इसे simplify करेंगे. So 2 से तो ये simplify नहीं होगा. Let's check कि 3 से simplify होगा. Like 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, 8 plus 1 9. So we can simplify it with the step 3. I have checked by divisibility rule से मैंने check कर लिया कि अगर sum in digits का 3 से divisible है, it's mean ये number जो है वो 3 से divisible है. 3 11 times, 3 2 times 6, 3 1 times, and 3 6 times 18, and then 0. So this is our simplified form 11, 21 and 60. So hopefully student आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. इसके अलावा आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन रिक्वायर्ड है तो वो भी आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. So don't forget to like and share the video.